Freezing misty rain, veiling streets so lazy. No umbrella to shield nor a gentle breeze. Love story drenched in the downpour's embrace, waking them from slumber, where dreams lose their grace in the distance. A rainbow's fleeting glass fades the encounter, and we're left to dance under a one-flowered canopy. Share a friendship, entwined with every raindrop's care. Dreams of purity, whispered heart to heart, struggle to speak, yet reluctant to start. Wisdom's light flickers in their silent minds, tender feelings hidden, like secrets confined in the distance. A rainbow's fleeting glance fades the encounter, then we're left to dance under a one-flowered canopy. Share a friendship, entwined with every raindrop's care. A wisp of thoughts drifting on the air. Her smile so light, his feelings unaware. Wishing him well, her heart she must control, as he fades into distance, to a distant knoll. In the distance, a rainbow's fleeting glance fades brief encounter, then we're left to dance under one-flowered canopy. Share a friendship, entwined with every raindrop's care. A wisp of thoughts drifting on the air. Her smile so light, his feelings unaware. Wishing him well, her heart she must control, as he fades into distance, to a distant